When the hotel is this good, you'll never want to go home. Welcome to Mojo Travels, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 10 hotels in the world for 2019. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Mojo Travels and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. For this list, we're looking at hotels and resorts around the world that are guaranteed to make your vacation unforgettable in 2019. Before we begin, we'd like to acknowledge and thank TripAdvisor for the rankings this list is based on. Number 10. Hanoi La Siesta Hotel and Spa, Hanoi, Vietnam. The Elegance Hospitality Group has come a long way since they opened their first mini hotel, which consisted of only 10 rooms. Hanoi La Siesta Hotel is arguably EHG's most impressive feat yet, complete with 50 sizable bedrooms, a spa, a gym, and even a movie theater. Guests can partake in exquisite Vietnamese cuisine at Red Bean Restaurant or dine in their room with 24-hour customer service. Hanoi La Siesta is designed to submerge visitors into a constant state of relaxation. If you're looking to get out and see the sights, however, the hotel also offers a wide variety of opportunities for exploration, including a 2-day overnight cruise to Ha Long Bay, a 1-day tour of Ha Long, and a 1-day boat trip to Hoa Lu. Number 9. Kayakapi Premium Caves, Cappadocia, Ürgüp, Turkey. For 6 years in a row, TripAdvisor has cited the Kayakapi Premium Caves as one of the top hotels in the world. Of course, this isn't so much a hotel as it is a neighborhood. The Kayakapi neighborhood evolved into an architectural landmark throughout the 18th and 19th centuries. Although it was abandoned following the 1980s, this legendary site has since seen a resurgence of popularity, thanks to its gorgeous restoration. These cave houses have been given a modern flair with lavish rooms, suites, and mansions. Surrounded by rich history, tourists will completely lose themselves in an atmospheric sanctuary with gourmet food, a swimming pool, and picturesque sights around every corner. Their epic honeymoon packages in particular make this an ideal destination for adventurous newlyweds. Number 8. Belmond Palacio Nazarenas, Cusco, Peru. Belmond Palacio Nazarenas is another hotel that flawlessly blends the past and present, making visitors feel as if they've stepped out of time entirely. The original Inca building was erected in the 1500s and operated as a convent for centuries. In more recent years, the site has been converted into a resort, with stones from the original structure being reused. The result is a Peruvian paradise featuring 55 suites, culinary masterworks, and a refreshing spa that specializes in body wraps. Between the sapphire pool and various terraces, there's no shortage of prime spots to kick back and bask in the scenery. There's also a library in the guest lounge, full of mesmerizing artifacts, allowing guests to absorb Peru's art, culture, and history. Number 7. The Resort at Pedregal, Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. The only way to enter this resort is through a privately owned tunnel, immediately creating a division between your life back at home and the tropical wonderland you've escaped to. Visitors can observe the Pacific Ocean from the comfort of either the main pool or a private plunge pool. Speaking of the ocean, the hotel spa puts a strong emphasis on aquatic treatments, making for an experience that's refreshing in more ways than one. From the El Fararon restaurant to the beach club, every meal comes with a breathtaking view to chew on. As grand as the resort at El Pedregal is, it's the little things that'll make your stay special, such as the fresh guacamole served to guests daily. Number 6. French Quarter Inn, Charleston, South Carolina.
Whether you're here for business or pleasure, we hope to exceed your expectations with our uncompromising personalized service and unique amenities.
Some hotels live by the motto of go big or go home. The French Quarter Inn, however, possesses a quaint modesty we all look for in a home away from home. It's not the most extravagant hotel, but the dedicated service will make guests feel like they're being welcomed into the house of a good friend. The same can be said about the city of Charleston, which is considered by many to be one of the friendliest places in the US. With lovely architecture, southern hospitality, and an old-fashioned charm that's hard to come by in this day and age, French Quarter Inn is the perfect vacation hub for those looking to visit the Battery, King Street, and other Charleston landmarks. Number 5. Hotel Alpenspa Tuxerhof, Tux, Austria. If you enjoy the cold, the Hotel Tuxerhof is the premium destination for a winter getaway from December to mid-April. Located in Tuxertal Valley, this resort is a skier's dream, with almost 150 miles of slopes that can accommodate experts and newcomers alike. The summits surrounding Tuxerhof are just as awe-inspiring during the summer and autumn seasons, providing endless opportunities for hikers, cyclers, and golfers. There are also plenty of adventures to be had rock climbing, paragliding, and river rafting. No matter what time of year you visit, guests can always appreciate the fitness studio, fresh cuisine, and exquisitely decorated suites. Although every room has a unique touch, each maintains a sense of style one would find in an upscale apartment. Number 4. Kenting Amanda Hotel, Hengchun, Taiwan. Although it's located in Taiwan, everything about this red castle, from its cuisine to its colorful decor, is draped in Moroccan culture. The resort itself is modeled after a Moroccan palace, making guests feel like visiting royalty. Of course, if you want to relish in the amenities Taiwan is best known for, Kenting National Park, Hubihu Harbor, and numerous other seaside havens are within walking distance. If the beaches are too crowded for your taste, you can always unwind at the Sichongsi Hot Spring or the Amanda's Energy Spa Pool. Whether you're into paintball, horseback riding, or go-karting, there are more than enough activities to guarantee your trip will be without a single dull moment. Number 3. Voroth's Hotel, Siem Reap, Cambodia. Voroth's Hotel is engulfed in green scenery, creating a peaceful ambiance that allows visitors to get in touch with nature. Your body and mind will be fully rejuvenated following a soothing massage at their signature spa, which provides a view of vertical gardens and a pond. The landscaped swimming pool is an equally majestic sight to behold, stretching across the courtyard with a poolside restaurant and bar. That's not the only place where you can get a bite to eat, as Voroth's restaurant is just a stroll away from some of the best Khmer cuisine around. Your travels shouldn't end there, because Voroth's Hotel also offers archaeological and adventure packages for those who wish to explore the iconic Angkor Wat. Number 2. Hotel Belvedere, Riccione, Italy. Italy, of course, is a country everybody should visit at least once, and there isn't a better place to book your stay than Hotel Belvedere. You can tell from the trendy architecture that the Belvedere is party central, which is exactly why the hotel holds a special event every week. After dinner, the party will take you over a bridge to a lagoon-like pool, where live music lights up the nightlife. The hotel isn't purely for partygoers, as you can find tranquility at the spa, or take in the beautiful backdrop of Riccione with a bike ride. Just when you thought a European vacation couldn't be any more glamorous, the Belvedere raises the bar. Before we unveil our top pick, here are some honorable mentions. Number 1. Tulemar Bungalows and Villas, Manuel Antonio, Costa Rica. There isn't a hotel in the world that immerses guests in nature quite like the Tulemar, which rests in the heart of Manuel Antonio. Extending 33 acres across Tulemar Beach, this resort is where natural splendor and contemporary luxuries merge together as one. The Tulemar Bungalows and Bamboo Villas are like New York apartments that have been crossed with tropical jungle tree houses. Being right by the coastline, the hotel provides an assortment of aquatic services, including nighttime paddleboarding, whitewater rafting, and fishing. Guests can pick up new skills through the resort's surfing, yoga, and cooking classes. And since Costa Rica is home to some majestic wildlife, you'll also want to take advantage of Tulemar's exclusive Sloth Walk tour. Do you agree with our picks? Check out these other great clips from Mojo Travels, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.